Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I have a small Hobby Lobby haul to share. This haul consists of just a couple or maybe 3 Valentine items, and the rest are just crafty items that I didn't need but I thought was really cute, so I thought I'd come on and share, especially because Paper Studio is on sale this week for 40% off, and their Valentine items as well. And I believe their spring shop too, but I didn't get anything in the spring shop. So let's start with Valentine's. So I purchased these 2 mugs here. I was putting together my Cupid mail and swaps, and I was short 2 cups. So I went to Hobby Lobby first, and luckily I found these because these are super cute. If you can see that, it's embossed, it's like raised, and it's a script word love with hearts and made very well. And it's food safe, dishwasher safe, microwave safe. And they were $6.99, and again 40% off, so I'm going to use those. I'm going to do the same thing I did during Christmas. If you saw my Christmas swaps, I put a pair of socks in here, and I might put a chocolate, a Valentine candy in these. And I'm going to use the KS Craft mug holder die set to package it up. So that's the plan for those. And then I needed more of these, and so I purchased 2 sets. These are just the acrylic raised heart stickers. Again, they're $3.49 and 40% off. I hauled these earlier. I do have a video of them, but these are so cute, and I love the colors, and I already ran out, so I needed more. So I purchased 2 more. So next is the things that I did not need, but I purchased. So here, I put a collection together, and I just thought I would share it with you. So let me start with the paper pads. So here, this paper collection is called Peace, Love, and Happy Vibes. And it comes in a 6x6 and a 12x12. So I'll share the 6x6 pad because it's the same, all the paper designs are the same. So here, this is a really pretty collection. It's not something I would normally purchase, but I'm trying to go outside my comfort zone and work with, different designs this year. And it's still it's a soft color palette, which I do like. So I think it'll be fun to work with. So this is the first design here. It's it looks like watercolored happy faces. Next here are some pretty florals. Again, it looks like watercolored. Here's like a yellow squiggly lines. Here's some pretty butterflies. I love butterflies. And here's some happy faces with the peace sign. Here's a pretty light green floral. Here's another floral. I love the colors. Here are some yellow and peach lines. Again, another butterfly. A checkered, this kind of reminds me of Alice in Wonderland for some reason. I don't know why, but it does. Here are some sunflowers. Some happy faces with a rainbow. Here are more flowers. More lines. Some pretty florals there. Here are some rainbows. More happy faces. They have different eyes, moons, stars, and like the regular eyes. Here are some pretty florals and bigger butterflies. So that's all the papers in here. I think it's 3 or 4 of each design. What does it say? 3 of each design, and they are 20 designs. So again, I got the 6x6 and the 12x12. And what I found was they had the matching stickers. So look at this. So these were $1.99. They're foam stickers, and they match the collection. The colors, everything. It's peace, love, and happy vibes. Only happy vibes here. One day at a time. Good days only. So if you can see that. So that matches that collection. So I'm so glad I found that. And they also had the matching ephemera. So this is 100 pack for $4.49 and 40% off. And again, they have similar, it's similar to the stickers, some of them. See the Only Happy Vibes and the trailer and some certain things, but you have all these designs, 2 of each design. And so that's really, really fun. This is going to be lots of fun to play with. I'm not going to show them all, but I mean, just to see, you know, you have the butterflies in here, the happy faces, the peace sign, more butterflies and florals. So there's a lot to work with in this collection here. So you already have the paper pad, the stickers, and the ephemera. And then what I found were these flowers. And I think these flowers match because if you look at the colors and you look at the colors in the collection, like say this one, look, it's almost exact to a T. So I purchased this. I should have bought 2 of these. I thought I did, but I only purchased 1 because I go through flowers like crazy. But yeah, you can incorporate the flowers, the ephemera, the stickers to the paper. And then I just purchased these flowers here for my stash. These I want to use just in my stash for crafting and also maybe for Valentines. I always have these here. These are just the pastel mini flowers. They're nice for layering and adding to projects. Some of the colors in here could also go with the collection, if you can see that. Maybe not the dark purples, but the yellow and the green and the pink, the peach. I think they would go well. And then last are these flowers here, the small pink paper flowers with the pearl centers. So yeah, so that's what I purchased. Other than that, all I got was I just needed more glitter paper as well. So I just purchased these 3 colors. This nice blue I want to use with love notes, and then these 2 I want to use with heart eyes and possibly the Recollections Valentine collection I purchased from Michael's. I might use this pink here just to give it some glittery effects in my projects. But other than that, that's all I bought. So I hope you all enjoyed. It's really nice that Hobby Lobby is carrying all these collections where you can purchase it separate, and it's a nice collection and much, much cheaper than, you know, some of those brand named collections that we purchase. So just another option. But thank you all for watching. Have a good day. Bye.